Hello mga motorista! Welcome to another episode of Motorista Adventures. For this episode, what you're seeing here is the Nissan Almera VL, top of the line nila, and with Nissan Connect services. Ito lang yung Nissan na merong connected services mga motorista. Mamaya ipapakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung mga magagandang features when it comes to the Connect services. But for now, let's take a look at the exterior sa ating Nissan Almera. If you're asking how much is the Nissan Almera, it is priced at 1,149,000. Manila pricing yan dito sa Pilipinas. Another thing, itong color na to is a special color. This is called Moon Pearl Gray. Ito lang yung color na merong black roof sa kanilang lineup. So this is pretty unique color. If you want the Nissan Almera, if you want the new color option, ito yon mga motorista. And walang added cost when you choose this option mga motorista. When it comes to the styling, they have changed a little bit in the front mga motorista. They made it more modern yung kanyang look, no? Hindi siya ganun ka-aggressive as before. As you can see, the headlights kind of resembles, parehas lang din siya than before mga motorista. Full LED headlights pa din tayo dito sa harap. And you can see your DRLs right at the top. LED array natin yan, reflector. Bulb type yung ating turn signal lights pa rin. What's new here is the front bumper part. It's a more sculpted design than before. And as you can see, you also get your front fog light as well. You have the Nissan logo right there also in the front. And meron tayong camera right there. Hidden lang siya, no? From view. Ayan. Yan yung camera natin. Hindi siya talaga kita, which is really nice if you want to keep it discreet, no? So ito yung Nissan logo natin. You have your radar sensors right behind this logo. The wheels we have here is nakalagay Bridgestone Ecopia 205 by 55 R16. So you have two-tone wheels. So gun metallic finish and then silver brush metallic finish sa harapan. And you have front disc brakes. McPherson struts dito sa harap. And then sa likuran naman is drum brakes. And then torsion beam suspension. Okay? Dito din sa ating side mirrors, meron tayong camera dito sa ilalim. And it is, the side mirror is mounted na talaga on the door itself para mas maganda yung visibility natin dito. Walang masyadong blind spot, diba? And also, smart entry yung ating Nissan Almera for the VL model. Okay? I'm not so sure about the VE, pero for the top of the line model, it is smart entry. Dito sa likuran, no, medyo subtle yung difference dito from the previous model. If not, the same lang talaga sila. No? So you still have the same tail lights. So we have your LED brake lights here. You have bulb type reverse and the signal light dito sa likuran. You have your VL na badge. You have your reverse camera here. And also, yan, you have your carbon fiber finish and parang mga diffuser style na design dito sa ilalim na part. Meron din tayong rear reflectors. It's, I think, no, on either side. Yes. Right, so ngayon, buksan natin yung trunk. So by the way, mabubuksan mo yung trunk as long as the key is within range. Pwede mo siyang buksan without you unlatching talaga dun sa loob. So, let's zoom in. Ayan yung ating rear space dito sa ating Almera. So, I don't think you can fold the seats right here. Dito, but I think it is foldable. So, yan yung ating spare tire. It is a space saver. So, ito yung trunk capacity ng ating Nissan Almera. So yung engine ng ating Nissan Almera is a 1-liter turbocharged inline 3-cylinder engine. And yung maximum power niya is 100 PS at 5,000 RPM. And yung max torque naman nito is 152 Nm at 2,400 RPM to 4,000 RPM. This engine is paired to a continuously variable transmission. And meron din siyang kasamang idling stop system, so nakakatipid ka talaga once you're in the city. Yung fuel tank capacity din natin is hindi ganun kalaki at 35 liters. Mga motorista, we are inside the Nissan Almera top of the line VL. And let me show you around, no? Let me tell you some of the features na makikita natin dito sa loob ng ating top of the line Almera. Number one dyan is yung ating steering wheel, no? Napakaganda ng steering wheel niya. It has leather dito sa kanyang mga hawakan and then it is flat bottom, no? So yung ating steering wheel then has cruise control. Hindi siya adaptive, just normal cruise control, but at least we have that. Meron tayong voice command button. And also sa kabilang side is your controls para sa ating screen right in front of you. So, mix yung ating Nissan Almera when it comes to digital and analog display. Kasi permanent yung ating speedometer. This is a traditional analog display yung speed. But sa kabilang side naman, you can either use a typical na rev counter, yung parang yung information natin andito sa middle, or you can use it as a multi-information display. As you can see, yung rev counter natin, yan, di ba? So very responsive din siya, and you can clearly see yung ating range, no, 341 kilometers. And also, if you take a look at the settings, no, ayan, meron siyang traction control settings, meron siyang traction control settings, meron din siyang tire pressure monitoring, kita nyo naman. So medyo matigas yung ating tire ngayon, so 44, tingnan natin, 44, 43, 45. So mataas yung ating mga tire pressures right now. So meron ka ding drive computer, yan, and also mga motorista, you have your driving aids dito, tilt and telescope, so you can find your perfect driving position. And another change for this new model sa ating Almera is blue na tong part na to, no, instead of just black material. So ito is leather, bluish color, meron tayong stitching. And yung screen pala natin, no, it is a 7-inch display. Dito sa kabila, it is a 8-inch display, mga motorista, if I'm not mistaken. You have physical buttons, which is still very nice, and I really appreciate physical buttons talaga sa ating infotainment system. Menu, call button, audio button, ayan. So, ito yung volume knob natin, tuning knob natin. You can press the camera button para i-reveal yung ating 360-degree view camera. So, loaded na din siya sa features, no? As you can see here, you can clearly see the markings sa parking spot natin. And of course, you can also clearly see na yung ating front camera is working. So unless you're on reverse, yung front camera yung magsushow. Ngayon naka-neutral tayo. So once we go to the reverse, ayan, kita nyo din yung ating reverse camera. You can also change the view. Ayan, pwede mo makita yung corner. Ayan, so, and also yung likod lang. So nasa inyo na yan kung ano yung pipiliin nyo. Okay? So let's go back to the screen itself. Decent naman yung screen natin, decent yung brightness, and CarPlay, Android Auto, pero hindi siya wireless. Digital climate control, hindi siya dual zone, single zone lang siya. Okay, pero meron siyang automatic mode. Dito sa lalim na part, 12V accessory outlet, standard USB, may have aux jack, meron din tayong wireless charger. Lagay mo lang yung phone and it will automatically charge. Going also down here, meron tayong engine start stop buttons located right near the shifter. This is a CVT transmission, park, reverse, neutral, drive, and low. Dito naman, hindi siya naka-electronic parking brake, standard handbrake lang, not bad, easy to operate. And here you have leather armrest, very soft armrest. Ayan, maliit lang siya talaga, no, and then wala siyang ports dito. Okay, so you can put some things there. Dito naman din, you have your glove compartment. Door panels pala natin, mga motorista, na it's mostly plastic material. I really like na leather yung armrest natin for this top spec model. Carbon fiber finish dito sa ating controls para sa windows. Automatic up to and down pala sa driver. Lock and unlock buttons, andyan siya. You have your power folding side mirrors. Okay, adjustment for the power folding side mirrors as well. You have auto stop here na button. Wala tayong any other button aside from that. Here are the seats sa ating Nissan Almera, mga motorista, for the new model. Kita nyo naman, it's a mix of leather material. Meron siyang mga bluish na accents dito, mga motorista, no? Ayan, which is really nice also. Height adjustable driver seat. Okay, and then ito yung latches natin for fuel sa hood. And then sa kabila naman is yung trunk release natin dito. Moving on to the back. Ito yung seats natin here. Ayan. Naka-atras yung seat natin, and I still have ample space dito sa likuran. And one thing I really appreciate, mga motorista, no, is yung ating rear seats. Hindi siya yung parang mababa yung seat natin. So I'm sitting quite higher than the front seats, which is really good for rear visibility dito sa ating passenger side. And also you have your speaker dito, cup holder or bottle holder dito, and you have also this parang carbon fiber finish then. So sa likuran naman, unfortunately though, wala tayong rear air vents for the top of the line model and for any models, no, for the Almera lineup. So meron tayong center tunnel here. Yung center tunnel natin, although medyo mataas siya, pero hindi siya ganun hindi siya ganun kalapad. So, okay lang din siya, no? Yan, meron tayong armrest dito sa likuran. Cup holders. Yan. And also, mga motorista, no, fix yung ating headrest dito. So, if you're taller, unfortunately, you cannot push the headrest up. And this has a 6 airbag system, si Nissan Almera. Another new feature for the Nissan Almera, mga motorista, is meron tayong SOS button dyan. So once you press that, it will call emergency services. You have dome lights. These dome lights are LED but lights. Okay, meron din tayong dome light dito. Yan. Okay. So mga motorista, ito yung ating Nissan Connect na app. Pasensya na kung medyo madilim. But ayan, I think you can see naman siguro. Okay. So ito yung app natin. So meron tayong, kita nyo naman, you have your estimated range kung ano yung current fuel natin sa car. So 330 kilometers to empty. Okay, and then you have vehicle health, you have monitoring, you have driver history or driving history, and vehicle service. No? So you can see, nakita natin yung ating Almera. We are currently at the mall. And then meron din tayong history sa ating remote start and mga alerts natin. Meron tayong frequently asked questions or information in case na kailangan mo ng tulong. Yan, and then let's go here. So ito yung main function natin sa ating Nissan Connect. Okay? So kita niyo mga motorista, meron tayong lock. So I can lock it using my phone. Pero check muna natin, pwede mo kasi siyang i-on yung mga lights natin if you want to find. Yan, so nag-on yung ating ilaw. Yan, so meron siyang alert, no? So tignan natin, horn plus lights. Yan, nakapress yan. Let's see, yan. Okay, so yan, so nag-work yung ating horn plus lights and you can unlock. So mayroon siyang password. Lagay lang natin yung password. So it does take a while mga motorista, no, to register yung ating tingnan. Ayan, so nag-unlock na siya. And then last but not the least, lock natin. So again, confirm with the password. Yan, so nag-lock na yung ating Almera. So kaya start natin yung engine. So password again. So it should start. Yan, diba? So nag-start siya using the app, diba? So napakaganda ng app na to mga motorista. It's very simple to use, very comprehensive yung mga things na meron, no, yung ating Nissan Connect services. So yan. So completely free for now for 3 years, no, once you get the Almera. Diba? So if you want to avail these features, so ayan, kita nyo naman, automatic collision notification, SOS call button, My Car Finder, remote engine start and stop, remote lock and unlock, remote horn and lights, driving journey history, vehicle health report, maintenance reminder, speed alert, zone alert, theft alert, and curfew alert. Okay, so lahat ng yan you'll be getting with the Nissan Connect services for the Nissan Almera. Right, so again, free for now for 3 years, and then after 3 years, I think it is a subscription service na. So mga motorista, let's talk about the driving review ng ating Nissan Almera. I'm very pleased with how the Nissan Almera performs, especially on the city. Kasi sa city ko lang talaga siya nagamit. So, in the city, at 350 something kilometers pa lang siya nung nakuha ko siya sa Nissan Kagenda de Oro. So, I did a short stint, around mga 2 hours siguro. Hiniram ko yung ating kotse. And then, yung ginawa ko is ikot-ikot lang ako sa city, trying to feel for the car and also yung ating engine performance. And definitely, the 1-liter 3-cylinder turbocharged engine is really a joy to drive in the city. And pati na din yung ating CVT transmission, I really didn't feel na nagsastruggle siya. So napaka-responsive ng engine, torquey siya mga motorista. Slight throttle mo lang is nagre-response kagad yung engine, and it really gets decent gas mileage. So especially sa city driving, nakakuha ko ng mga 11 kilometers per liter at most, no? So around low 10s to high 11s yung nakuha kong fuel consumption. Yung nakakatulong dyan is since turbocharged siya and since it's 1-liter engine lang, hindi siya nahihirapan na ibigay yung torque. So hindi mo na kailangan mag-press ng masyado sa pedal, giving you more gas mileage. And pati na din dyan yung ating auto stop system. Most of the time it works. So once you go to a stop or merong stoplight, so naka full stop ka na, automatic shut off yung engine. Yung air conditioning natin, hindi siya biglang umiinit yung lamig niya. So malamig pa din siya at a certain point, no, or parang mga 30 seconds malamig pa din siya. So relax ka din. And napaganda, no, once you're on a stoplight, yung parang walang vibration kasi naka-off yung makina. And once you're going, and saka pa siya magsa-start ulit. And instant yung niya mga motorista. So once you just let go of your foot sa brake, start kagad yung engine and go ka kagad. And it works using drive and also neutral. So once you're on drive, yung mga short stop na yan, off yung makina. So once you let go of the brake, talagang diretso siya, andar kagad. So that's the amazing thing about auto stop system. Really is good for fuel consumption or fuel economy. Next dyan is yung ating ride, no? So unfortunately, yung ating tire pressure medyo mataas siya at 40 alam ko 40 plus PSI yung nakita ko. Meron pala siyang tire pressure monitoring system, which is really good. And aside from that, yung ride quality niya is very decent in the city. Maganda yung dampening ng suspension natin, and hindi siya masyadong maingay, no? Even though I was driving on some parts, no, at 80 kilometers per hour, hindi ko masyadong rinig yung ating road noise. So that's really good. And since yung ating tires is hindi masyadong low profile for the VL model, it is very comfortable, no, to ride in the city. Another thing that I'd like to point out is yung ating advanced driver aids. Si Nissan Almera VL meron siyang blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, 360-degree view camera. Meron din siyang lane departure alert and cruise control. Pati na din dyan yung autonomous emergency braking. So talagang safe na safe ka sa kanya. Now, these systems are really nice because hindi siya obtrusive, hindi siya maingay sa interior. So, hindi siya palaging nag-warn sa'yo. So, yung sa blind spot monitoring, umiilaw lang siya kapag low speed. Saka na siya nag-warn kapag higher speed na and hindi ka nagsisignal when you're changing lanes. Pati na din yung ating lane departure alert, no? Parang may vibration sa steering wheel once it works, no? Above 60 kilometers per hour. So, really enjoyed how the Nissan Almera drives. Hopefully soon we can borrow ulit sa Nissan Kagenda de Oro for more tests dito sa ating Almera. And if you want to check out the Nissan Almera and want to test drive it, meron silang mga test drive units sa Nissan Kagenda de Oro. So mga motorista, if you're looking for a sedan, definitely check on the new Nissan Almera. Definitely it is one of the better choices that you can choose if you're using the sedan in city driving conditions because of the little engine, hindi siya ganun ka-aksaya sa gas. And also, it has Nissan Connect, as you can see na pinakita ko sa inyo. So, one of the advantages, meron na siyang SIM card built-in dito sa head unit natin. And meron na yung, anywhere in the Philippines, basta meron ng signal, hindi mo na kailangan siyang loadan or any of that. So, meron talaga siyang data. So, you can control the car anywhere else, kahit saan pa man, kahit nasa states ka man, as long as you have the app, you can control it, mga motorista. That's really good. So you have 5-year warranty for the Nissan Almera, which is really good also. So covered ka dyan, mga motorista, when it comes to defects, diba? So wala kang iisipin, no? For 5 years, no, na you're owning this really nice looking sedan. So ayan, mga motorista, yung Nissan Almera natin. What do you think? Let me know. Comment down below kung ano yung tingin nyo sa kanya. And as always, hit the thumbs up, subscribe sa ating YouTube channel, and also follow our Facebook page. Maraming salamat, mga motorista, and I'll see you on the next episode. Bye-bye.